You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word that is, indeed, confusing. It's a light shade of tan. It's a color. If you want to learn more colors and vocabulary that is confusing, stay tuned. In English, it's pronounced khaki. Khaki. So it's not kaki or kaki. Khaki. How to pronounce English pronunciation khaki. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.